Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys what you want. That is another Cardano price prediction. So we're going to give a ADA Cardano price prediction. Guys, comment down below if you enjoy this video and let me know what is your ADA price prediction, and that's going to be for July. So it's July 1st, Canada Day, all right? But I do want to hear your price prediction. So I'm going to say, what is your price prediction for ADA, like the peak, towards the end of the month, okay? So we've got 28, 29 days, whatever. Maybe it's 30. I don't know how long this month, I don't know how many days are in this month, but I do want you guys to give me a price prediction that you have. Okay, so the other cool part about this video is that I haven't even thought about it too much. So I want to go based off of where I've been in the past and what I think is going to happen. Ultimately, it's not going to be an egregious price. I don't think we're going to be even in the $2 or $3 range. So I want to narrow things down for you, okay? And I'll explain why. That's really what I want to do on this episode. I want to explain why I believe what I believe there, okay? So I do have a timer set. Yeah, I guess we're rocking and rolling. We are July 1st, 2025. Let's dive into it. Ultimately, if we zoom out here, where are we at with crypto? How am I feeling? How are you guys feeling about it? I feel like crypto is at a point where we're starting to see more volatility, okay? I feel like in what I've noticed in the market is that Bitcoin hit new all-time highs and it kind of just stayed stagnant for a little bit, okay? So I think we're going to see another leg up. So it all is going to revolve around Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin's got to be doing well, I would assume, right? We're ultimately looking for an alt season, but if Bitcoin can break out above, and get towards the, 110, 115s, then if Ethereum starts to spike, that's what we're looking for, right? That's going to be our alt season. So Bitcoin, right? It's kind of like teetering here, right? I don't think we're going to go down. We're potentially going to see a Cardano and other alts ETF, XRP. We got Bitcoin DeFi, the midnight airdrop. We have so many things happening. So Ethereum, it's really going to be the big mover because Ethereum is the number one altcoin. It just is in terms of market cap. So in fact, if we look at it, Bitcoin is at 64%. ETH is not even 10%. We need Bitcoin to lose its dominance, ETH to pick that up, and it funnels down into Cardano or Cardano. I know I joke around with that. So let's take a look at where we're at, okay? And I've been talking about it. This is starting to feel like 2021 a little bit more. And I know I've been talking about it for a while. I thought May was going to be good, but then we had all the tariff stuff going on, wars, whatever it may be. We need a little more peace, or in fact, we need the money printers to go on in order for something big to happen. So short term, still a lot of volatility, but once it goes, it goes. So here, 2021, ADA, let's just say ADA, it was like $1, peaked, went back to $1-ish, $1.20, and then boom, $3. So we're looking for that big leg up, assuming we get alt season. And I do believe that ADA is going to do well. But I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think we're going to see I don't think we're going to see peak of the market until Rare Evo. Rare Evo, that's when I believe you're going to be able to begin to claim your midnight. So to claim your night tokens. Guys, I did a video on this. So if you guys go to the channel, I've done different videos. Watch this one. Cardano's about to explode. 50% midnight airdrop. You have some info there. But ultimately, this video, the Midnight Tokenomics revealed, I talk about it pretty extensively. I go over my thoughts and opinions on when I think the claim is going to happen. I go through the thawing process. I like it overall. And I'm overall bullish. So July, what's going to happen this month? I believe max $1. Max would be $1. If it goes higher, that would be great. But I feel like until we get the rare Evo event, until people are claiming midnight, and unless Bitcoin goes nuts, it's not going to happen. Okay, so market cap wise, 20 bill, not even 20 bill. We're not even there. So we're at 54 cents. I mean, even if we get to 40 billion, I just don't see that happening. I just don't see that happening yet. Yeah, I don't see it. I could see a $30 billion market cap probably peak, probably like highest. So we'd be looking at like a 70-cent ADA max. That's kind of what I expect though. I do expect us to get up to the upside, but I think it's going to be September, October. That's where it's going to be like, okay, I'm happy I was holding ADA because now we have the smart contracts. There could be other projects that simply fall off between now and then. Midnight airdrop. We'll see how that happens, how people are interoperable and how they're using it. 50% is going to the ADA holders, which is sexy, right? It's almost as sexy as this freaking Crypto Moose Tim Hortons cup. We need a Crypto Moose and Timmy's collab. That'd be cool. So that's what I think. Let's just say 70 cents. That's my prediction. I don't think we're going to go lower. I don't think we're going to go much higher. But 70 cents is where I'm at. That's for July. Going past that, that's when we have the green light. That's when I think if it's going to happen for ADA, it will be after August. So guys, comment down below. Give me your thoughts and opinions. And guys, if you do own some ADA, delegate stake to the Hedges stake pool. I've done videos on this. Hopefully did he update the website? Come on, Hedges. Get the Moose stuff going on here. So there's nothing regarding the Moose. But guys, I've done tutorials on this. If you want to set up a good quality, free Cardano wallet, you can watch this how to set up Lace wallet tutorial. I did that. You can also pair it using a cold wallet, which is good. Guys, check out the other links. Pick up a Tangem, okay? Use code Moose and protect yourself, right? 3-card sets, very affordable. If y'all are America, if you believe in America and you got your guns, go pick up limited edition, Hold Your Freedom, Tangem wallet, okay? I know what y'all talking about. So you guys, I play baseball in the States. I used to pack shoes, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, America, you got the American Tangem right there, and yeah, God bless America. So you got those ones, and then you got the limited editions, the Hyper Blue. If you want to make fun of that guy that bought 10,000, 10,000 Bitcoin, $100 million worth of pizza, and ate it, you could buy this one as well. It's so bad, that poor guy. I do feel bad for him. So, but guys, use code Moose, save 10% off. You can get a Tangem ring. You can get whatever. And guys, honestly, I don't even know where my watch is. So I don't know if you guys saw my other video, but the Moose hit a deer. So I got a big scar on my forehead. You can probably see it. Probably if I go in the light. So yeah, the Moose hit a deer, wrecked his car. So yeah, I've been dealing with that. But, yeah, I just want to continue this channel. I'm looking forward to it. I really appreciate you guys. We also have online courses. I put a lot of time and effort into these. I don't talk about it enough. This I want to update. Again, so many hurdles. But I would like to update this. But it's free. If you guys are an absolute beginner, just take it. I don't even upsell you in this course. So, yeah. With that being said, guys, Moose loose. Let me know. Is my price prediction spot on? Is it off? I'd like to hear. But, I decided let's make a video where I look and I just, this is how I really feel about it, okay? We're not trying to pump our bags. This is just what I believe is happening. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.